The child said he only wants to eat eggs, but he doesn't want to eat them. Okay, today I have to satisfy him with 250 milliliters of milk, 2 eggs, a spoonful of sugar, stir like crazy and sift into the baking bowl, sprinkle some diced peaches, and bake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Quickly arrange sausages for the child. Let's take a look at it simply for you and Dwebau's mother. Puree the chicken breast, carrots and egg whites with a food processor. Add black sesame salt to enhance the flavor. Stir in an appropriate amount of starch in one direction until vigorous. Put it into a piping bag. Brush oil in the pot. Pour in the chicken puree and fry over low heat. When golden and ripe, you can smell the aroma even before it is out of the pan. Eat more apples and yam, which are sweet, soft, and glutinous. It strengthens the spleen and stomach and aids digestion. Rub the apples into shredded yam. Steam duck with yam into puree, add shredded apples, 2 tablespoons of flour and form into a ball. Brush butter in the pan and roll the duck into small pancakes. Sprinkle 19 black sesame seeds. Cover and simmer over low heat until both sides are cooked. I never thought that the air fryer can also make pizza. It's simple, delicious and silky, and the kids want to eat it. Cut the bread slices into cubes, beat in 2 eggs and mix well, then pour it into a silicone paper plate that does not touch the roasted tea. Bake for 8 minutes, take it out, apply a layer of tomato sauce, and put ham slices and vegetable cubes on it. Finally sprinkle a layer of grated cheese, bake for another 6 minutes, and the delicious pizza is ready. Go and try it.